Everything is in its place, and everything is mine. I can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place, and all of it is mine. Ooh, I can't help but smile. Ooh, I can't help but smile. I'm reinventing myself. I'm me and nobody else. I'm reinventing myself. I'm me and nobody else. Ooh, I can't help but smile. Ooh, I can't help but smile. Ooh, I can't help but smile.
Ten minutes till I wake up. Phone rings, but I stayed up. You're probably doing makeup. You and me, we were made for the breakup. At least that's what you told me. At least that's what you told me. But you've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm tryna learn to let go, let go, let go. You've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm tryna learn to let go, let go, let go. Yeah, it's hard to escape late night, closed eyes like I'm looking at your face. Oh my, no shade, but can you please just let me pray? Yeah, you were made for me, temporarily. Like a painted picture, baby, you're a masterpiece. Love is something that I always thought was make-believe. Guess I was right, cause baby, you broke all of me. So sign the dotted line, baby girl, I think it's time. You finally let me go, begging you to say goodbye. Yeah. You've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm tryna learn to let go, let go, let go. You've been running circles, circles, circles in my head. I'm tryna learn to let go, let go, let go. It went wrong, talking about my ex, shouldn't have brought it up. Now I'm just obsessing and it's all my fault, cause I picked a fight again. Did I win? Every time, everything is going good, I tell me lies. I believe them, no, I shouldn't get caught up. starting fires in my mind. Yeah, it's so stupid. Why do I do it? I'm sorry that I ruined the night again. Spent the whole time writing stories in my head. Mad at you for no reason, thinking things you never said. I'm sorry that I ruined the night again. Ruined the night again. In the car, couldn't even look at you. You try so hard, but there's no way you're getting through. Wish I could stop, but I can't turn it off. Yeah, it's so stupid. Why do I do it? I'm sorry that I ruined the night again. Spent the whole time writing stories in my head. Mad at you for no reason, thinking things you never said. I'm sorry that I ruined the night again. Ruined the night again. Ruined the night again. I wish I didn't drop my guard. I would've never felt this hard. Hope you know you left these scars all over my heart. Everything feels so unknown now that I'm letting you go. You were my Gemini, you were my reason why. Now you're my kryptonite. Now I'm terrified. I wish I didn't drop my guard. I would've never felt this hard. Hope you know you left these scars all over my heart. I wish we didn't mess this up. If only we could redo love. Honestly believe in us. 3 a.m. scrolling since 2, staring at pictures of you. 'Cause you were my Gemini, you were my reason why. Now you're my kryptonite. Now I'm terrified. I wish I didn't drop my guard. I would've never felt this hard. Hope you know you left these scars all over my heart. I wish we didn't mess this up. If only we could redo love. Honestly believe in us. Cause you won't look me in the morning, you won't call to say hello, you won't be there on the coast of California.
Thank you for practicing with me today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you would recommend this video to your friend. See you soon on the mat.
California, yeah.